All right, let's dive into this macro survival guide. We're pivoting from jobs straight to inflation and consumer health.
Monday and Tuesday? Total waiting game. It's the calm before the storm, but keep your eyes on the RBA.
Here's your red alert roadmap. The real market shockwaves kick off Wednesday night and literally won't stop until Friday.
Tuesday's Aussie rate decision, it's going to instantly set the trend for the AUD and jolt those Asian markets. Then, Wednesday delivers the blockbuster US CPI drop. Make no mistake, guys, this is a survival-level event. The market is laser-focused on a 3.4% headline target alongside a 2.5% core CPI expectation.
It's a total binary fork. Cooling inflation, green lights, Fed cuts, but stubborn prices? That triggers absolute panic.
So the absolute nightmare scenario is stagflation. If prices stay high while unemployment climbs, markets will just plummet. Moving to Friday, we get US retail sales. This is the ultimate stress test for a recession. Why does this matter? Because everyday consumer spending drives a massive 70% of the entire US economy. If Americans are tightening their belts and sales drop, those lingering recession fears are going to officially explode.
Now, beyond the data, 4 massive geopolitical hotspots could completely hijack asset prices this week.
First up, Taiwan's military drills. Any escalation with China instantly threatens the global semiconductor supply chain.
Second, the Middle East. Fragile Gaza ceasefire talks are battling the constant threat of major shipping disruptions.
If attacks happen, crude oil spikes. That drags inflation right back up, totally killing Fed rate cuts. Third, China's elite are meeting in secret at Beidaihe, desperate to fix their property and unemployment crises. Investors are literally praying for stimulus. Any leak about money printing will send copper and steel soaring. Finally, a fifth brutal El Niño heatwave is striking Europe, severely draining the power grid around Paris. This extreme weather pushes natural gas through the roof, creating massive price shocks for wheat, corn, and coffee.
Here's your cheat sheet. Match your portfolio to these specific global catalysts to survive the incoming volatility.
So what dictates 2026? A sudden recession or stagflation? Watch the data closely and trade safe out there.